Today we're reviewing the Smok Mag Kit. It's a pistol grip looking mod that's actually very cool. There she is. I got my Freemax Mesh Pro tank on there. It's very cool looking. Batteries hit this little release button right here. Batteries pop out like a little clip. It only goes in there one way. Put her on up in there, click her in. She fires, says Smok, click it 5 times. Turns her on. Smok Mag. Goes to vape, so. Alright guys, so we're out for our drive. And there's a little bit to say about the Mag Kit is it's a nice little kit. It comes with a TFV12 Prince Tank. Comes with an extra coil and a little tool for playing with the mod, taking it apart and stuff. Comes with extra seals, comes with a little extra top piece for the actual tank. I've got my Freemax Mesh Pro tank on the mod, and it's because I love my Freemax Mesh Pro. Check for the video at the end of this video, or in the link for the tag for the video to the Mesh Pro. Mesh Pro is, in my opinion, one of the best sub-ohm tanks you can get. Yeah, so let's take her for a rip, huh? Does a great job. I love it. It does a lot better. It's a lot easier to use than my my Avenger mod, so I prefer this. It is on normal. So comes with multiple watt control settings. Comes with preheat settings. The chipset is very nice for a Smok chipset. So it's awesome. It works great. I would definitely recommend it. I'm going to throw a link down in the description so you can get yourself one of these. They're very cool looking. Looks like a little cool pistol grip. Very cool. Yeah, she just absolutely rips. So yeah, guys, I definitely recommend it. Like I said, if you want one, I'll throw a link in the description below, so you guys can go pick one up for yourselves. As always, if you like the video, like and comment what you thought of the video, tell me what you think. And subscribe for more content. We're putting out, hopefully, a new review every week, hopefully more than one review a week. If we get the product, we're going to review it. So